the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on this Wednesday, March 17th. You know what, we're going to make this quick because there's not a lot to talk about. Crude oil is up a little bit, like 50, 60 cents. The euro currency is down just a tad, and we're smack dab going into the end of the the March expiration. You know, we could talk about the spreads. We've done that all week or for the last 10 days. We all know that the volumes are, the majority of the volumes that we're seeing are coming from the index spreads, and we all know that the markets have been going up. You know, Monday and Tuesday, well, we'll start with Monday. Statistically, Monday was a good day, and it struggled all day long. Tuesday was a bad day statistically, and the markets were firm all day long. But when you take the 2 days combined, what they did was they back and filled, and these are the types of patterns that we look for to reassure us that the markets are good. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about some of the stats that we do from this desk. Out of the last 17 days in the S&P, 14 have been up. Of the 3 days that were down, one was down about 10 or 12 handles, and the other 2 losing days were down less than a point and a half. So really, if you take the 17 days, you know, we've only had one big sharp down day out of 17 days. It's a pretty amazing stat. And then when you look at the rest of the week statistics today, out of the last 25 occasions, 14 have been up, 11 have been down, but tomorrow's the big one. It's a 19-6 day, 19 out of the last 25 occasions, 19 have been up, 6 have been down, and then back on Friday we're another 14-11 day. Either way, you know what, going into the end of the week, the stats are good. We're not here to fight this, but what we are concerned about, and as they wrote in the equity report today, the higher we go, the more susceptible the market will be to some type of pullback. What we kind of think is the markets may need to get past the expiration, get into next week, and then maybe we'll get some type of pullback. But from this point, you know, from here, the way it looks, the S&P looks like it's going toward 1183, a level that we've been talking about for a while, and then we've got the 1201 level. Now, if you do the volumes, again, it's all spreads. You know, in the S&P options right now, they've got 39,000 traded, and when you subtract the math in the big S&P, they've got 5,000 bigs traded, and when I did the math in the mini, I think it was a little bit over 450,000 if you took out Globex and the E-mini S&P spreads. You know, that's what we've got. That's all we've got from here for the day. Markets act okay from the way we see it.